In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in any Squarespace site you're editing. First, make sure you're on the page where your image appears and that you're in the site editor, not just previewing. You'll know you're in the right place when you can hover over elements and see outlines appear. Start by clicking the image you want to resize. When you click it, you should see a visible outline and small handles appear around the image. That outline confirms the image is selected and ready to adjust. If your image sits inside a gallery block or a section with multiple items, don't worry. Clicking directly on the image still brings up the same handles so you can work with it. Now, to resize the image, click and drag one of the corner handles. Pull outward to make the image larger or inward to make it smaller. Using the corners is important because it keeps the image's proportions intact so you don't end up with a stretched or squashed look. As you drag, watch how the layout responds. Squarespace is responsive by design, so nearby text and blocks may shift to accommodate the new size. Aim for a size that feels balanced with the surrounding content, leaving enough breathing room so the page remains readable and clean. If you're shrinking the image, check that the details you care about are still clear and easy to see. If you're making it bigger, keep an eye on quality. Enlarging an image beyond its original resolution can cause it to look soft or pixelated. A quick rule of thumb is to use high-quality images to begin with, so they stay crisp at larger sizes. You might notice subtle guides that help align the image with other elements as you drag. These are handy for keeping your layout tidy and consistent. If you try a size and don't like the result, simply drag the corner again to fine-tune. And if you go too far, use your editor's undo shortcut to step back. A quick note on behavior across devices. The size you set will adapt on smaller screens. That's normal and expected with responsive design. Your desktop adjustment gives Squarespace a baseline, and the platform automatically scales it to fit tablets and phones while preserving the proportions you set with the corners. That's all there is to it. Click the image to select it, then resize by dragging a corner handle until it looks just right for your layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your Squarespace pages with confidently sized images.